Here in this video, I will take you through Policy Manager, how to connect to our gateway. In first video, we have configured our gateway. This was the IP address that we provided. Now we need to provide the IP address, and 8443 is the port. We need to provide Policy Manager password that we set up during the installation here, and then we can click this OK button. It would show us that for this IP address, the host name is fegateway11.gunir.ca that we configured. Click this OK button. Then you need to install the license gateway. Apart from this, if you don't install, you will have a very much limited number of assertions and options and features available. To have all the information in here, you need to install gateway license. Here is my gateway license in this path. I need to open this up. Then there is an end user license agreement. I would accept it. It would take some time to install the license. As you can see, my license is installed. I can close up this window, and now I could see all the policies that were not available before licensing. Now all of these are available. Now I can start publishing new services and play with the gateway. Thanks.